6 tips. Ready, set, go. Use subtractive EQ to remove competing frequencies between elements. You can also try and remove frequencies that aren't necessary in sounds. A good example of this would be low end and hi-hats. Overly transient and dynamic sounds have high peak values but very low perceived volume levels. Compression can help shape these dynamics and in return add loudness. If kick and bass overlap in time or frequency, or they're just too loud, they're going to eat up a lot of headroom. Use a spectrum analyzer and a reference track to figure out what your level should be. Careful with this one, but you could use a limiter or a clipper to remove excess peaks on bad recording samples or synths. If you try this and hear distortion, you've gone too far. A little bit of saturation goes a long way in terms of loudness. Think of the cumulative effect it has if you do a little bit on several sounds. Use panning and imaging to separate competing elements. Adding width to your mix is not just a way to make sounds more audible, but it also increases the perceived loudness.